Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Thursday, July 15th, 2021. It is 4:35 and 55 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Paleolithic diet. So let's hop to it here. Paleolithic diet healthier for overweight women. Date January 18, 2018. Source, Umea Universitate. Overweight women after menopause who eat a Paleolithic diet can maintain weight loss in the long term. The levels of risk factors of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases also decrease. The results are remarkable. Despite giving the women free reins to an unlimited intake, the weight loss was stable after 2 years. A more significant fact than weight loss was the evident improvement in levels of fat in the blood and signs of reduced inflammation. Researchers had spent 2 years following a group of 70 postmenopausal women with a body mass index exceeding 27. That is, overweight women after menopause. Half of the women held a diet, according to Nordic nutrition recommendations, whilst the other half followed a Paleolithic diet. Neither groups had any specific restrictions in the amount they were allowed to consume. The restrictions solely resolved around the composition of the diet. The follow-ups took place after 6 months and again after 2 years. The results show that both groups lost weight. The women who had kept a Paleolithic diet on average dropped from 87 to 78 kilos, compared with a drop from 86 to 80 kilos for the group that followed the Nordic nutrition recommendations. The weight loss in both dietary groups also contributed to reduced inflammation in both fat tissue and in the circulation. The women who followed the Paleolithic diet had a significant reduction in unhealthy abdominal fat. Evidently, reduced levels of certain fatty acids and blood fats could be seen, which is of importance to the development of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. You can also see that the enzymes involved in fat storage were less active in the Paleolithic group. In conclusion, the study shows that the Paleolithic diet, with a high proportion of unsaturated fats, was healthier for this group of women, even if the Nordic nutrition recommendations also had positive health effects. The Paleolithic diet is characterized by high intake of protein and unsaturated fats. It has a low glycemic index. The diet consists mainly of vegetables, lean meats, fish, poultry, eggs, shellfish seeds, nuts, oils, and fruit. The biggest difference to the Nordic nutrition recommendations is that the Paleolithic diet excludes cereals, milk, refined sugars, and added salt. Postmenopausal women have an increased risk of obesity, for instance, due to the reduction of estrogen production in combination with an elevated energy intake and reduced physical activity. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.